Crimping tools are a foundational staple for electrical, networking, and automation work. A reliable crimp ensures mechanical strength, proper electrical contact, and long-term reliability, especially when working with heat shrink connectors, insulated/non-insulated terminals.
List number 1. WGGE WGG-015 Professional 8-inch Wire Crimper. This is a budget 8-inch all-in-one crimping and stripping tool, marketed as a multi-function hand tool. Its price of $7.19 positions it as an entry-level option, aimed at hobbyists or occasional use. The tool emphasizes versatility, with wire stripping, crimping, and cutting capabilities in a single lightweight package. The unknown brand status and extremely low price suggests simpler materials or fewer precision features, but it potentially satisfies basic and occasional tasks without specialized dies. Performance-wise, the WG-015 should perform basic crimps on common AWG ranges, but expect variability in crimp consistency and stranded wire compatibility. The absence of explicit jaw set or die options means it may lack the precision and repeatability of mid-range tools, particularly on small ferrules or non-insulated terminals. For light DIY work, it offers convenience and portability, though it is not a reliability leader for professional installations. Users should verify connector compatibility and inspect crimps for uniformity after initial use. If repairing or installing critical systems, look for higher quality tools with more precise tolerances. But for infrequent DIY tasks, the WG-015 serves as a budget-friendly option.
List number 2, Hystronica 6PCS Crimping Toolset. A 6-piece crimping toolset designed to cover a wide range of terminal types, including heat shrink, insulated or non-insulated terminals, ferrules, open barrel terminals, and solar connectors. Priced at $39.99, it targets DIYers and professionals needing versatility without purchasing multiple dedicated tools. The set emphasizes a strong crimp core, precise teeth for 40 CR die work, and a comprehensive die assortment that supports a variety of connector profiles. Performance-wise, the toolset offers ergonomic grips and a ratchet action intended to deliver repeatable crimps with a secure fit, described as crimping like a solder when done correctly. The 6 dies are AWG marked and chrome-plated for corrosion resistance and easy identification. The included 12-month warranty and 30-day money-back guarantee enhance buyer confidence. For users who frequently switch between connectors, heat shrink, insulated, non-insulated, ferrule, etc., the dies and ratchet reliability make this a practical choice, albeit heavier and bulkier than a single-purpose tool.
List number 3, Ferrule Crimping Toolkit. Baygrips presents a ferrule-focused kit with self-adjusting ratchet action and square jaw technology designed to deliver firm, uniform crimps across a ferrule range AWG 23 to 7, that's 0.25 to 10 millimeters squared. Priced at $29.99, the kit includes 1,200 insulated wiring terminals, making it attractive for ongoing small to mid-scale projects. The square jaw profile is intended to improve crimp uniformity and resist wire loosening. Performance-wise, the self-adjusting ratchet and square crimp profile aim to reduce the chance of over or under crimping, particularly with ferrules and both insulated and non-insulated terminals. Ergonomic rubberized grips and alloy steel construction contribute to fatigue resistance during longer scrimping sessions. The included 1,200-piece terminal pack provides immediate value, making this kit suitable for electrical repairs, panel wiring, and DIY installations where ferrules are common.
List number 4. Klein Tools VDV 226-110 Ratcheting Modular Data Cable. Klein Tools VDV 226-110 is a premium modular data cable crimper designed for data installations, featuring ratchet action, wire stripper, cutter, and pass-through RJ45 compatibility. Priced at $45.50, it is positioned for professional installers handling voice data cabling with RJ11, RJ12, and RJ45 pass-through connectors. The tool emphasizes flush trimming, multi-connector compatibility, and a guided termination process to minimize errors. Performance-wise, the VDV226-110 delivers precise terminations with a full-cycle ratchet and an on-tool wiring guide to reduce miscrimps. The tool supports 4, 6, and 8-position modular connectors and is designed for both UTP and STP cabling. Its build quality and reputation from Klein Tools suggest excellent durability and repeatability, though the price premium reflects its data-centric specialization. Users will appreciate the integrated features for clean professional installations and reduced rework on network drops.
List number 5. Crimping tool for heat shrink connectors AWG22-10. Plus Tool offers a heat shrink focused crimping tool AWG22-10 priced at $16.99. It emphasizes a professional ratcheting mechanism, color-coded die nests for quick identification, and adjustable compression wheel to dial in crimp height for consistent results with heat shrink connectors. Performance-wise, the tool's ratchet cycle ensures uniform crimps with a quick release lever for jaw opening in any position. The adjustable star wheel aims to prevent over-crimping and damage to heat shrink insulation. Ergonomics are addressed with cushioned, non-slip handles, making it suitable for mid-length sessions. It is particularly appealing for DIYers and technicians frequently working with heat shrink terminals in automotive or household electronics.